Hi friends, have you ever heard a sound that nobody else can? In a small town in New Mexico, people report something called the Taos hum. It's a strange, low buzzing sound like an engine running far away. The weird part, only about 2% of people can hear it. Scientists brought microphones, sensors, and all kinds of gear but found nothing. No machines, no vibrations, nothing. Some blame secret military tests. Others say it's the Earth itself humming. And a few even whisper it could be something not of this world. What makes it even creepier? People who hear it say it never stops even in the dead of night. The Taos hum is still a mystery today. Imagine lying in bed at night, hearing a sound that never ends while everyone around you hears silence. Some people have even moved away just to escape it. Creepy, right? So the real question is, would you hear it? Please subscribe and comment below if you want to experience it.